Excuse me. Did it help?
Oh, it helped a little bit. It's long.
That did absolutely nothing. You can't be stopped. Did you? Excuse me.
They don't just play one time at their home field.
Excuse me.
All throughout the season.
Excuse me.
We got monsters. We got.
Excuse me.
Jeez.
Excuse me. Sorry.
And run like. Yeah, it's nuts.
That one was long. Excuse me.
Holy balls. There's no like.
Yeah, I know. Excuse me. Where's Oscar? Right next to me.
Listen.
Excuse me.
Oh my gosh, back to back.
I'm trying to stop myself. Excuse me. Why did it sound like that? Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Dripped out. Oh, this burp is stuck. It hurts. Oh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
My assistant would love to do that for you.
Excuse me.
With a straight face, looking boy. You're witnessing a massacre like a rock to the top down with a straight face, looking boy.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah, right? Yeah.
Get that ball out of there.
Excuse me. Burping.